Good morning. It's going to be another cloudy, murky day ahead. There's some drizzle in the forecast. We've got rain across parts of Northern Ireland and parts of Scotland, but there will be some limited brightness in eastern England and northeast Wales. I'll have all the details later in the programme.
Will you be out walking today?
I certainly will, Charlie. I've been virtually stationary for the last few days, so a walk is very welcome. And if you're planning one, well, it's going to be mild again today, but a lot of cloud and fairly dank. We've got some fog around this morning too, as you can see from our picture in Cheshire. So today's forecast is again a mild one for the time of year. It's also rather cloudy, but the mild weather is set to continue as we go through the next few days. There's the days of the week. The yellows and ambers still very much across us, apart from across parts of northern Scotland, where it is going to turn that bit colder. And by the end of the weekend, some of us will be seeing some wintry showers. But what about as we head towards the new year? Well, low pressure drifts away. Look at the isobars across us. We've got fronts moving across us, bringing in some rain. But as we approach New Year, looks like we could have quite a deep area of low pressure coming our way with some rain, windy conditions and some snow. But that's a long way off and that could still change. Just want to give you a heads up if you're travelling, that there's the potential for it. Now today we hang on to a lot of cloud. Again, some drizzle, some hill fog, some murky conditions. We've got some patchy rain across Northern Ireland and also central Scotland. The best breaks today, the brightest ones, are likely to be across parts of eastern England and also northeast Scotland. Temperature-wise, 9 to about 12 degrees. Through this evening and overnight, our rain across Northern Ireland and also central Scotland continues to drift northwards. There'll be a lot of cloud. Once again, we'll see murky conditions, dank conditions with some drizzle. And where we see some clear skies, well, we could also have some patchy fog forming. Temperatures tonight for the time of year, it's not going to be cold, 5 to 9 degrees. Then as we head on into tomorrow, well, our weather front will have drifted towards the northwest of Scotland. It's a waving front, so it is going to come south again. Not much in the way of windows, so the status quo more or less prevails. In that it's going to be cloudy for most of us. There'll be some drizzle, hill and coastal fog. The best breaks tomorrow are likely to be across parts of northeast Scotland for a time, parts of northeast England and once again northeast Wales. Temperatures 7 to about 12 degrees. And then as we head on in towards the weekend, well, we are looking at once again some rain at times pushing southwards. It's as we head towards the New Year's period that things start to change. So it looks at the moment like it is going to turn cooler than it has been. We've got temperatures, for example, in Edinburgh down to about 5 degrees as a maximum temperature, but it does look like it could turn unsettled. So if you are travelling, do bear that in mind. We're looking at the potential for some rain, possibly for some gales, certainly very windy, and also some of us could see some snow. So Charlie, if you're travelling, you bear that in mind too.
Thank you very much, Carol. Wise words. Let's see. Time now is 7.